Peaceful. Peaceful, where are you streaming from? Where are you watching me from? Sometimes people come live, they don't talk. They're just there watching you. As nobody's ready to talk now, see that's how I am coming here. This is how I'll be looking at everybody. The way you look at me, that's what I look. Because you don't want to talk. Thank you for the tap. Peaceful. I appreciate it. But you see that. Oh, I like this strap on me. Streaming on two platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Big Solo. It's like network one very, very bad. I'm not talking donor. I'm not even hearing those sounds, man. Damn. If you're watching me, just tell me what's going on with the network. People on YouTube, thank you so much for joining. People on TikTok, thank you so much for joining. I'm streaming with two. On YouTube, I have two wonderful, lovely videos. The one about spinach, the one about the other one is about where the land is vanishing. And just go to my profile or to go to my channel and you see those videos. They are wonderful short documentary, and the other one shows you how Anna Ni Hao. The other one shows you how the process of planting and harvesting spinach. So if you're here, you love spinach, that video is gonna be a good video for you to watch and then understand more about spinach, because those women that are interviewing those videos, they explain a lot about spinach, the process, and so many ways, and how what they do and the money they make. And I'm still going to make videos like that for you guys, especially my viewers on YouTube and TikTok too. Yeah, I'll still make videos like that for you, and let's see how it goes. But right now I'm sitting on the back of my house, and everybody knows that what backyard. This is my backyard, and we have a lot of plants here. And the day that my family and I that were planting potato, I made a video about that. Princess, I made a video about that and then posted on my YouTube, and you can see it. If you're watching me on my YouTube, you can do well of assisting me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and then you can do more. I have good videos on my channel for you to watch, and I'll still be doing more as often as I'm free. All right. So thank everyone for the support, my subscribers, my followers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for always coming here to support me in any way you can, and God bless you. I'm super proud of you, and I'm happy to have you around me. You know, it's not easy for somebody to come to your channel and then subscribe. It's not easy for somebody to come to your page and then like. And when you like and subscribe, you have done a great job. I have about 15 people watching me on my YouTube channel right now. I so much appreciate you guys. Let me see if somebody has any comment. Oh, some people have seen a comment here, which um Migu Lanito. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, everybody. Just write in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. And if you look at my backyard, I have a lot of things here, and you see, that's my backyard. Potato farm is there, and it's not ready for harvest. And we'll have to wait for some months before we harvest it. So if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and you can still go down to look for some of my videos to watch, and you know, you have a nice time. Okay, i have I have movies here, and if you love African movies, African stories, and if you want to learn more about African culture, you can still go to the YouTube channel and then see some videos that you can watch. And people of my TikTok too. You see, I'm streaming on TikTok. Can you see? Streaming on TikTok too. So you can still go there. I have a lot of videos that you can watch, and then they're so good. All right, Sky. They're so good, and when you watch them, yeah, you enjoy yourself. You really 22. Is 22 your age, or 22 is what? So thanks to everybody, my great subscribers, my great fans. Well, I've been on YouTube for how many years? 2020, 21, 2022, 23, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2025. 5 years on YouTube, and it's so funny that I've not gotten membership. So they have not subscribed to my membership on YouTube. Isn't that funny? But maybe I'm not doing enough. Maybe I need to do more. Yeah. '22. Wando. Funny enough, tí wọ́n gbọ́ wọn kọ́ sí Wando. Alubeke boro tinere. Tí wọ́n gbọ́ wọn kọ́ sí ẹ̀dá sísá wa tinere Wando. Bigi tí wọ́n mi àgbà wọn tinere Wando. Shagba kwaso. Bigi. Yes, Sophia. How are you, Sophia? Is it because the sky is white? Not really. It's because of my camera position. I don't know. Okay, TikTok. I want to TikTok, then focus on YouTube. 22 but she's not saying anything, so nobody to talk to on TikTok, so I'll go to YouTube people, and then from there I'll talk to my subscribers. Great subscribers. Sorry, I'll have to leave the live stream, but hope you get a lot of views. Thank you so much. Thank you, Migu. Thank you, Migu. Do you have a YouTube channel? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you so very much. Is today Valentine's Day? It's not yet Valentine's Day now. Is it not February 14th? Where are you streaming from? Because what I know is that Valentine's Day is about this. I think it's February 14th, not today. Jesus. Copyright to YouTube. That was a mistake, man. Don't take that, please. Oh, it's because you live in Brazil. So here in Nigeria, today is not it's not Valentine's Day. Here in Nigeria. Um, we have Valentine's Day is when let me check. Um, we have almost like 10 months ahead before we get into Valentine's. So yeah, so who is your Val? As today is Valentine's Day in Brazil. Who is your Val? Who is your Val in Brazil? Tell me more. Let me understand. And how is the Valentine celebration is in Brazil like? How do you celebrate your Valentine's in Brazil? Tell me. People that travel to Brazil, they say Brazil is a beautiful country. Yeah, some of the ones that do we have. Okay, what do you say? Today in Brazil is Valentine's Day, so I completely forgot that the dates are different. All right, so are you married? Are you single? Or how are you planning to celebrate your Valentine? Or how are you celebrating your Valentine? What's going on? What's going on in Brazil, man? We're curious. We want to know what's going on in Brazil because today is Valentine's Day, so let's know what's happening in Brazil. What are you doing? Do you have a lot of celebration there right now? Um, I wish he was there to answer whether today is February 14th. Why is this camera giving me this kind of quality now? My camera is better than this now. I don't understand. Today is Valentine in Brazil. Do I need to tip like this? It's not even perfect, man. Like this. Okay, let me use this wall as mine. So are you from Brazil? Just tell us about the Valentine in Brazil. How is it going? How is the Valentine in Brazil going, man? All my Brazilian family. And better still, if I may ask, what's the date difference? Is today February 14th in Brazil? Because somebody is telling me that today is Valentine's Day in Brazil. I know there are time difference, and then I don't know about months. So if you know more about that, can you help me throw more light so that we'll be able to understand what is going on in Brazil? Because if a fan here came and said today is Valentine's Day in Brazil, what they made us to believe here in Nigeria is February 14th. That is Valentine's Day. So what do you have to say? Is it for real? Just tell me, let me know what is going on in Brazil today. Is it February 14th? Or is the same date like today is June what? June 12th. Like here in Nigeria, today is a Democracy Day. That's why we're celebrating today, Democracy Day. But is there really democracy in Nigeria? I don't think so, but it's okay. It's what it is, man. Look at those birds. Make it so nice. You want to see them? See them. Look at them. They're up there. Can you see them? They're the one giving us that background sound. So there's nobody here that will tell me about Brazil, what is happening in Brazil today. Valentine's Day. We don't have a Brazilian somebody here. Okay. It's going great. Everyone must be buying presents. All right. What is the date of today? Is today February 14th or today is June 12th? In Nigeria, we are celebrating Democracy Day. And what's today's date? What's the month? And what's the year in Brazil? You know, it's so great that in this same world that we live, we have different time, different seasons, and then different lifestyle and different culture. It's June 12th. All right. So you celebrate your Valentine in Brazil on the June 12th. Okay, okay, okay. Well, according to what they told us, the story about Saint Valentine, they said yeah, he was, because of, some a lot of things during that when they say nobody should wed anybody. So he went ahead and did that. So they have to, unalive him. So that's why everybody celebrates his death. Yeah. So what do you have to say about that? Is it the same story? Maybe your story is going to be different. I wish there's somewhere we can have somebody here on YouTube to come and talk like other platform. That would be great. Tell me more, please. I'm curious. I just want to know. That's it. The soap is not blocking my face. So I just want to know. In Brazil, we say Valentine's Day as dos namorados. What? As Dia dos namorados. Okay. How wish. Are you a YouTuber? Let's connect so that I will invite you. I will create a chat, then invite you, then you come. You stand, you sit at the other side of the screen, I sit at the other side, and then we discuss. Are you a YouTuber? As you know, YouTube always talk about collaboration. So I don't know why my phone is giving me this kind. Maybe I need to light up my phone. Okay, he's telling me more. Here in Brazil, namorados, boyfriends, girlfriend is the same thing. Okay. Or what I wish that I just wish I have the story of Saint Valentine, what they told you guys. Yeah, I was not there, so but that's what they said. So many things that they said about what happened to him, and you all know the story. So I don't need to repeat myself so that you know. Well, but my network is very, very bad. Well, all the same, thanks so much for giving me some light about your country, beautiful country, Brazil. Yeah, let's know where you're watching from, guys. Lights, retouch, on. What again? Peak filter, no. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, so I was here, so we're just talking about the life in Brazil. The today's Valentine's Day in Brazil, and so just to show you that people celebrate Valentine on different months, different year. Like here in Nigeria, we celebrate our own Valentine. Could you respect that? I don't understand what you're saying. Oh, sorry. You don't speak English. Oh, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry about that, bro. Sorry about that, man. So sorry. Okay, could you repeat? I was asking that if I was asking, right? Okay, let me just calm down. Then let me not speak fast. I was asking that if you are a YouTuber, like, are you a YouTuber? Do you create content? If yes, then you and I will do a collaboration. Um, you will connect. Then I will create a live stream where you come and we'll discuss. Yeah, we'll talk about this Valentine issue and so many things, and the differences between my country and your country. That's what I'm talking about. If you understand, that's what I'm trying to say. All right. So if you're here and you want to talk about the differences in in your country and in my country, let's talk about it. We can connect and do a live stream together, like a collaboration live stream. There we'll be able to talk about a lot of things. So right now, what I want to do, I will check you on YouTube to know whether you're a YouTuber. So well, if you are ready, we'll do that. Okay. Uh, it's for so that's what I was saying. Are you good with that? He got the whole wide world in his hand, in his hand. I'm looking for your YouTube channel. I'm trying to find this your name on YouTube. No, the logo is not the same. How can I find you on YouTube? So guys, let's know where you're watching from. That your logo is not here. I can't even find it. Malak Fear 14378. Why are you laughing, man? Why are you laughing? There are girls who makes YouTube videos, and she's doing an exchange program in the United States. She said she was explaining to a boyfriend that it's cold in Brazil in July and not hot in December. Okay. And we laugh a lot because her friend asks if we celebrate Christmas in June. In July and June. Look, that's funny, man. How you doing? Let me know where you're streaming from. You're all welcome. I really appreciate you. Sorry, I speak Portuguese. Me, what I'm looking for right now is to get your channel so that I can find you here, but it's not easy for me to find you. Guys, share and like this video. What did I do? No. That was a great mistake, man. Hide, yes. Thank you for the like. Thank you. Sorry, I was not planning to do that. Oh, deleted. Oh, I was not planning to delete the message. That was a mistake. That was a pure mistake, man. Okay, let me play game. Game time. Guys, let's play game. Who's ready for game? I will have to keep the sound from this game because yeah. So make what? Make the flower happy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. Where is the name? Look at the name. Thank you very much, my brother. Join. It's just like everything I always said. Things that the night sweets. Have your burger. Have your burger to eat. Use your imagination. Thank you very much, my friend, all the way from Brazil. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you some other time. And if you can talk about love, so just subscribe. Always send me comment in the comment section and send numbers on the top. Thank you very much. Good night. Look at the keep doing that. Maybe once because I love those bad guys, but anyway. So if you oh God, this is beautiful. Welcome. How are you? Oh, no, Showing you on a hand, and you are not taking on a number. You want to do a call and Chile.